for this motor grader business. I would like to tell you today very important features of this motor grader. This motor grader is 150 HP in power, and it has 15 ton weight, and the the blade length is 12 feet. And what is the unique feature in this machine? What is the unique feature against the competition? I would like to explain 4-5 unit feature. Please follow me. I will take it walk through. It is one of the this model is a next generation model, which is the unique feature is one is longer wheelbase with the shorter turning radius. The mission is here only. I will just explain. Please follow me. Has the one earlier model we used to have this shade pin for the protecting this small board. Now we have a slip clutch which can protect entire ball board using, if there is any heavy load on this blade, the entire load will be protected by this slip clutch and it slips, so that the mall board any damage to the mall board is protected by that. And one more feature we have this is, you can just see here there is a cylinder provided to this blade. The blade angle, depending on the road condition, you can adjust it. You can adjust the blade based on the road condition. This adjustment is not a manual. It is we are given the cylinder. We call it a hydraulic blade tip control. That operation system is given in the operator so that he can control during the operation. And also we have one more unique thing, that the wall bank is provided on top, so that the long run any wall leakage, depending on the lever continuous operation, leakage will not happen. And also we have this entire lever can be locked by the lock lever also, so that it's a safety item. And apart from that, we have an articulation, of course, that is there with other model also. Please follow me. And there is we have a battery box here, elevated battery base, so that what will happen is this is a protected from the dust, as well as it protects and we are providing the maintenance free battery, so that you need not to add daily for the distilled water or anything for the battery maintenance. Apart from we have given the added safety in case anybody want to claim on this, they can they are protected. And also we are using here, you can see the machine, Komatsu engine as well as Komatsu transmission we are using. The moment I said the transmission, we have a very unique transmission in this Komatsu, as Komatsu unique design, that is a combination of direct drive and torque converter. When there is a direct drive is there, torque converter is waiting for the heavy load. Once any heavy load comes, automatically the torque converter will get activated and take that load. That benefit we have in this, so that you will save the fuel as well as you will get the sufficient power to grade. And of course we have a ground level fuel filling system. You can see in other models, in competitor model, you have to climb up for filling the diesel. We have a ground level fuel filling, that is one unique feature. Also we have a hydraulic blade grip control, so that you need not to as and when required, and the blade will be there, the fan will be there and it will be on. And unique feature of this blade is also it can be reversed. It can be reversed to clean the radiator. And also we are provided the rear view camera, so that rear visibility also can be seen in this machine. And this machine need to be registered. We have given the registration plate here also for the putting the name plate. And you can also see this machine is a CEV 5 step 2 norms. We have to add DEF. You can see that is also in the ground level. We can that so that the environmental protection CV5 system also already ready in this machine, and that saves the conscious on the environment. And apart from that, with this you can see the inside machine entire machine made in Japan. And also you can see large fuel filter with the water separator, so in case of any water enters to the diesel line, it protects so that water can be protected also. And we are using a 12 by 24 tire with the 16 play rating, which is a very we are giving from BKT tire, local made best tire we are giving in the industry. And also you can see here, just we'll go up, I'll just explain what is the unique feature in this machine? Just please come in. Yeah. Other than that, we also have the cushion seat. You can see the cushion. So the operator is cushioned, and this blade also can be tilted whichever side you wanted. That can be tilted depending on the customer requirement. And of course, the AC is provided here, and we are also providing. You can see here, we are giving the rear view monitor is here. The operator can see the rear view also while making the any operation. Apart from that, I will just see the machine. I will just show you one important thing which you can see that in your entire monitoring of the. You can see the rear view thing from this monitor. And also unique feature, we have a Comtrax here. You can check the which mode operator is operating, E mode or P mode, and also whether he is in a torque converter mode. And you can check the fuel level, you can check the depth level, you can check also what gear he is using, and also fuel consumption. This can be monitored at your fingertips as well. It is connected. In case if you are not wearing the seat belt, you can see the seat belt reminder is there. All the lever can be locked. As I explained, there is a lever. You can see that lever, red lever is there. You can explain. You can see that can be locked also. And apart from that, we have this lever which can be, the moment you apply it to the P mode, that will be parking brake is applied. And one more unique thing, the RPM of the machine can be locked. Any RPM you want to set it, that can be set. That will be very useful if you wanted to mass grading, continuous grading. We also have this P mode as well as E mode here in this. And also there is a auto mode. This will change here also, auto will come. If I change it to manual mode, it will come. You can see the hand as well as the manual symbol, as well as the lighting arrangement, and you can take out articulation if you wanted to do this thing. And also engine, we have a P mode. You can also see here P mode, engine is P mode. Now if I change it for again, E mode will come. And this all the one important thing is, you can see here all the controls are in the right hand side, which is uniquely and ergonomically positioned. And you can see the gear levers which can be moved whatever degree. And the unique feature is, you can operate this also as a automatic as well as manual. And you can also see here switch for the light, cabin light, and we are given for the mobile charger also for the operator nowadays. That is very, very important, as well as the fan for the operation of the machine. And just we'll go down and I will show you further. You can also just see this, the AC we are using, which will be very high capacity AC. It will be cooling will happen instantly. Yeah. We also, one unique thing is, we are giving a 3-piece rim type of rim, so that if anything happens, in by chance any puncture happens with this tire, so that you just need to remove this ring and it can be repaired easily in the side. Because normally what happens, if there is a single piece rim, repairing the tire becomes very complicated. We are given a 3-piece rim. The 3-piece will be there. Ring, if you take out, it will come out. And also this machine has the articulation. You can see the cylinder there. You can see the cylinder. It can be, the entire machine can be moved either that side and this side, so that the visibility is not getting affected. Apart from that, the cabin is mounted on the articulation, so that in the front frame, along with the articulation, cabin also moves, so that it need not visibility at any point, it is not getting affected. One more thing is, ours is a ROPS cabin. Also the ROPS cabin is a triangular kind of thing, so that you can see the visibility, entire thing is visible, because this beam, this pillar is moved backside, and this entire visibility is available to us. Apart from that, you can also see scarifier, which we are having. Scarifier also gives the, in case of any the leveling is not proper, this can be done using that, and you can achieve that this thing. With this node, it's a total complete machine, which is a new generation machine with the environmental friendly CEV5. So thank you very much.